Okay guys, there's the next project in the garage. This is my SSV soundbar. I've had it about 5 years. It's been a good soundbar. I have no real complaints about it, but as of late it's starting to have some serious issues. It was only working on 2 speakers last time I took it out, and then prior to that it was drawing power off my battery while it was shut off. I called SSV for some advice, but they were less than forthcoming with any advice. But on a older soundbar as this, I didn't really expect much anyway. So here's my plan. I'm gonna rip it apart, pull these speakers out, pull this center console part out, take a look at, see what's behind it, see if there's anything noticeably broken. If not, I'm gonna rebuild it myself, make it something different. So I'm gonna add in these Rockford Fosgate I've had sitting around for a while, punch speakers, so they are a little bit bigger I think than what I have going on here. So I'm going to take these apart, take a look, see what's going on, and then the plan is to maybe add a marine amp, Bluetooth marine amp, just bypass this whole thing and just basically use the speaker enclosure and go from there. So let's get to it, take it apart, and see what we find inside of it. Strange. Okay, well they have a nice connection. So that's the 100 watts made in China 2 ohm speaker we're dealing with. Let's just stack them up over there. I like that they had the nice connection. I don't know if it'll fit this one or not. Doesn't look like it, so it'll require a little wire changing. Speakers out. Pretty straightforward. Now we gotta take this crap out of here. It's the stuff I had wired in before. This was the iPod connector. It was starting to fall apart. Well, it has fallen apart, so I was just using Bluetooth. But we're gonna nix all that. At the most, if I lose my interior light, I can figure something out, I guess. But I was pretty much using my tablet to run everything. Bluetooth, volume, all that good stuff, so I guess I can always add a Bluetooth connector in, worst case scenario. But if this doesn't work, like I said, we'll go to a big bad new soundbar. But alright, so let's see what the hell's in here. Okay, there is their amp. Those in the know might know what that means. For me, it's this little tiny amp that I'm going to get rid of. Well, let's see what's behind door number 3. This is what holds the amp in. So we might as well. Probably going to nix the whole thing anyway. I didn't see anything that was going to cause my other speakers not to work. There's nothing burnt or fried or anything, so I'm guessing it was just broken. Alright, well here we go into the inner workings, the brains. Well, there's some. That's the business. Yeah, as expected, these are a little too big, but I have some room to work with, so I should be able to shave it down with Colin's body saw. Get that to sit in there flush. Okay, so that's what we're dealing with.